We're at Tully Elementary School where we're teaching kids about the Sonoran Desert today. Personally, I'm teaching them about snake venom and what to do if you're bitten. We have things about bees and lizards and jackrabbits. There's all sorts of things that these kids are learning from us. Hi, my name is Tanner Young. I'm from SantaRita High School.
I'm Jared. I'm a senior.
My name is Alexandria and I'm a junior at SantaRita High School. I'm Ashley and I'm a junior in high school.
Steven Resendez. I'm a junior at SantaRita. I really just like helping the kids because they get real happy. They like learning a lot.
This project is desert adaptations of animals in Arizona.
Okay. So that here, if you guys want to feel it, is a pronghorn antelope pelt. And with this pelt, they are able to raise their hairs and lower them. And when they raise their hairs, it makes it easier for the air to flow through, so that when they're hot, they can cool down. And then in the winter, they press them down, so when it's cold, they can keep the heat inside their body so that they don't freeze.
Like where you teach them about the coyotes, and then after we have this ball and it's full of all questions about coyotes. And when we throw it to them, they catch it, and whatever question's on their right thumb, they answer, and if they get it, they get a toy.
What the most
They're out in the neighborhood, they eat cats, dogs, they get into people's trash cans.
This is a representation of the San Pedro River, and basically I have this to show how developing areas around the San Pedro River takes water away from the river, which in the long run will leave less water for the animals. What do you guys think you can do at home to save water?
Food chain are the plants because they get eaten by the rodents and all these animals right here. And then these animals get eaten by these animals, the snakes and the lizards and all that. And all these animals get eaten by the top predators, the apex predators, the fox and the hawk. And all you gotta do is just put each picture where it belongs in the food chain and you want to know
On how the root system works and how prickly pear cactus, you can make jam and candies with it. And then we have this game and it just asks questions like what is the saguaro cactus root? Which is a home made from birds and everything where they live, and then you can eventually use that as like a bowl or a cup if the cactus were to die. On this poster right here, we have one type of cactus that can make fruit, and it can produce jelly and even candy.
They don't need much water because
I really just like helping out kids and just letting them learn something new, and if I can help with that, then that's really cool to me.
I heard that in winter they bury themselves under the river mud.
Something I learned about the desert tortoise. Well, I did not know that they had a place where they put water in their shell. So I learned that, and I always thought that's cool because it helps them survive.
What I've enjoyed about today is just spreading the knowledge to the little kids and them being excited to learn about it. And it's just nice to see how fast they think and how their faces light up when they figure it out, and to learn just interesting facts. How they just put the marbles in, which raises the water level, and they're able to get the water out. So finally they can reach it and then they take it out.
For the Sonoran Desert, I thought I should do the Sonoran Mountains. In some of the things, I just chose really nice pictures that I found, and then I also put some cool facts like the mountain's been around for millions of years. The mountains aren't just a big rock. There's a lot of things that make them up, like the plant lives and also the animal lives. On top of the mountain, that little city on top of Mount Lemon is 30 degrees cooler than what it is down here in Tucson. Well, this is a diagram showing how the tectonic plates push together and create the mountains. And there's multiple different ways how it could create a mountain. Like, the first way is the two tectonic plates pushing together and creating a mountain. The tectonic plates can move past each other and create a valley. And then also in some cases, when one tectonic plate goes underneath the other and the other one comes on top, it could create a volcano.
So, what do you think happens when a snake bites you, if they're venomous? You raise your hand. Mr. Ruddick, he teaches us a lot of things on sustainable energy. We've created a business this year. We've come here and taught these kids, and it means a lot. We've learned more than I think I've learned in any other class, really, to be able to explore so many different fields of science.